This is Resurrection Plumbing doing a camera inspection at 962 West Ranch Road in San Marcos. What you're looking at right now is we're working from the two-way cleanouts. We've gone ahead and pushed up about 65 feet up to the end of line under the house. So we are going upstream from our two-way cleanouts in the grass area in the front yard. ABS plastic traveling up, we go to a little section of cast iron and then back to ABS. So we're going to be pulling back during this camera inspection from where we're working from for the cleanest image possible. As you push forward, you get a lot of debris on the lens, making the image unclear. Right now we're directly underneath that back toilet, where that back toilet comes in. If you flush the toilet right now, you're going to see it come in on the left-hand side right there. That 3-inch opening is going to be that first tie-in. So as we travel back, this cast iron, for the age, it's in okay shape. It's going to come right into ABS plastic here. So there's our 3-inch ABS tie-in here. So as we pull back, right here is going to be our front bathroom. Directly up above us at 12 o'clock on the screen is directly underneath that toilet. Right here is where the line's going to go from 3-inch ABS to 4-inch ABS, as well as where the kitchen line is going to tie in here, and possibly the washer if there is a washer inside. So still pulling back towards where we're working from. Once we get outside of the house, we're going to still be in ABS for a good section, and then we're going to go into cast iron up where the yard, the grass is growing, and the grass is all going to be original cast iron to the building. Pretty rough shape. You're going to see the difference. With ABS, it is unlike cast iron. It stays a nice regular shape. It does not rust. It does not corrode. Right there is our change of material into cast iron. Immediate difference, you can tell. Cast iron is a metal pipe. It rusts. It does not stay a regular shape. It creates a lot of resistance with toilet paper, as well as, anything you would like to flush. It's a lot more common to have paper stoppages in cast iron than it is any other pipe. So on the sides of the pipe, all that rust buildup is called scale, is what we refer to as scale. It's just a cancer buildup on the sides of the line that creates a lot of resistance. With cast iron, what we really look at is the bottom of the line. The bottom of the line is where the water's flowing at all times. It's a flow line. So the real condition of the bottom of the line is going to be the most concerning. Really jagged here. It's most likely going to create a lot of problems, especially if you're using anything other than 1-ply toilet paper. If you start using Costco or Charmin, you are going to back up. So right there is a good image of how stuff gets caught in cast iron. Right here, someone was flushing baby wipes, or maybe feminine products. They literally just get stuck in the line. Eventually that'll create a paper stoppage after 2 or 3 flushes of toilet paper. We're actually going to push back into this section here. Right here is a good explanation or example of shelving. Shelving is when the sides of the line build up in like a shelf-like image right there. You can see the sides really building up and the bottom is starting to go. The bottom, when it goes, it's called channeling. All these things are really concerning with cast iron, just as far as having a good functioning line. Super rough. You're going to see a lot of big cancer buildups. lot more shelving here. And then we're going to be pulling back into our ABS here. So our ABS right here is where we're pretty much at our cleanouts, where these cleanouts were installed in this cast iron line. Cleanouts are the biggest part in this whole thing. Having two-way cleanouts and a property line drop exposed is going to help a lot. However, that cast iron there is going to give you a lot of problems later on. So more concerning, now we're going downstream. We're going to hit our property line drop. We're going to push through that. We are going out towards the street now. So just leveled out in our clay line. Change of material to vitrified clay. Clay is one of the strongest pipes. However, it is the most susceptible for root intrusions. It does not rust like cast iron. It stays a nice regular shape. However, roots get in and create big problems. If you let the roots get too big, they will break the line. We're going to pause here and just clean off the camera. We're going to flush some toilets and we're going to clean off the lens a little bit.